From the library homepage, click on Articles and Databases. If you are at home, follow the prompts for the username and password. Scroll down to Psychology Collection and click on the link. Enter your keyword and click Basic Search. On the right side, you can limit your search by full-text documents, by peer-reviewed journals, and by publication date. If you find an article that you like, click on the title. Above the title of the article, you can download the PDF file. On the right side, you could print or email or download the article.